Get him walking it. Vente, mi gordo, vente, mi papachito, vente, qué chulo.
It's going too far forward.
Come on, stop it so he can get up to it.
Just wait a second, I gotta see what's
Come on. Come on. Come on, good job. You and those toys.
Wow.
Let him push it a little more now. Let it go. Vente.
He's leaning.
Vente.
What you doing?
Come on. Come on. Anya, leave him alone.
Come on, Junior. Come on, Junior.
He's trying to put his foot up on the bottom.
You gonna go for a walk? Say, hey, mommy,